Good afternoon, my dear students. So I hope all of you received that my video classes very clearly and gather the valuable information from my classes, I think. So at the same time, I hope uh, my explanation, my information may be helping to gather and captured by yourself promptly, I think. So anyway, so this is my process to get some more information in many times when you feel leisure, when you feel relaxed. So once you listen, this topic means maybe chance to receive the valuable information before the examination day. So anyway, all of you have the some uh, important to flow the information for the examination point of view. Anyway, like that, today also I am taking the one of the important examination point of view topic. So in the fifth unit, maybe chance, may be possible in your question paper, project management spectrum. Yes, every software engineer always do something by the help of software. The something is called as a project development. They have to design the project, implement the project, and maintain the project. So project is a word will be taken or prepared or designed by the developer for useful purpose. So the useful is called as a result. The useful may be depend on little bit of time, long time, I don't know. But anyway, every software developer will be maintain the project for goodness purpose, for useful purpose. In this case, the spectrum means what? We have to do something in the project for yourself, for college purpose, for government purpose, for other people purpose, we don't know. Anyway, the project will be taken by the developer means that is maybe helping to do some more for future purpose. They have to helping to do more for future purpose. మీరు ప్రాజెక్ట్ డెవలప్ చేస్తున్నారంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటండి? దట్ ఈస్ మేబీ హెల్పింగ్ ఫర్ ద పర్పస్. The purpose will be depend on user choice, government choice, organization choice. Everything is there. But this spectrum will be depend on four type of piece. Four type of piece. The piece are called as like this. I am writing here. We have to design the project for some goodness purpose. The goodness always depend on four P's. The four P's are called number one, product, number two, process, number three, people, number four, project. Here, you have one doubt is there. Sir, just you told no, project preparation is our task. Project design is our task. Project maintenance is our task. But you should maintain here the last piece called project. Any meaning is there? Yes, meaning is there. I have to represent my result as a project. As a project. Project preparation. ఏంటంటే project preparation? I have to do something. What you do? I have to do something for goodness purpose. The task, the operation, the application is called as a project. You have to give the result as a project. ఏంటి ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అది? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, రైట్ ఏ సి ప్రోగ్రామ్, ద గివెన్ నంబర్ ఇస్ ప్రైమ్ ఆర్ నాట్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. దట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్. ఇప్పుడు ఆ క్వశ్చన్ కి నువ్వు ఎలా రాయాలి? ఫస్ట్ యూ రైట్ ద బ్లూ ప్రింట్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్, execution of the program, compilation of the program, then you got a result. Is called output. ఇప్పుడు మీరు చూసారండి, output. The output is called as a project. ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎవరు చేశారు? Who will maintain this project? People. You, me, all. People. Now you can say that according to this slide, project is called primary element of the spectrum. People is a secondary element of the spectrum. But these four P's are depend on a simple factor is called software project planning, SPP. Software project planning. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటండి? ఎవ్రీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ స్పెక్ట్రమ్ will be depend on the software planning project or software project planning is there. Yes, every developer will be depend on product. Every developer depend on a process. Every developer depend on a people and project. But this three, by the help of this three, we have to display the project. Project is called final phase, final result of the project. I have to take some more explanation of the each category. Like that. These components or four P's play a very important role in your project that can help your team meet its goal and objectives. So whatever you want to design means single person not possible. By using the teamwork, you have to do one result. You have to do one project. That is called result. But the result is always depend on spectrum. Spectrum always depend on SPP, software project planning. My first choice goes to here people. Why? Because we are the responsible person to take the task, to design the project. I have to write here, people means we need to have a good team in order to save our time. People is not myself. People is not only yourself. People is not only your friend. People is called teamwork. People is called a group of team, a group of people. So people is a first phase. People is a first factor or first component for what? We have a good team in order to save our time, save our cost, save our effort, giving the effort. Now, in the UG level, you already successfully complete your SSP, sorry, student study project. మీరు ఒక్కరే చేశారండి? నో, టీమ్ వర్క్. So I have to take my share in my project. Second person take the share. Third person take the share. When they are sharing the each project, fulfill the each category one by one. At last, they got a good result. This is called project. You can simply put a title is called student study project. ఇప్పుడు ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎలా అయిందండి? విత్ టీమ్ వర్క్. The team is expressing like a people. I am writing here some assigned roles in the software project planning or like you called as project manager, like you called as team leader, like you called as stakeholder, like you called as developer, like you called as analyst, like you called as IT professional. Anyway, my role is like this, totally imagine, but what my work is there, I have to do something in the project. It is belongs to spectrum. Managing people successfully is a tricky process which a good project manager can do. The project manager always take a responsibility to completion of the project with help of the teamwork. As per my knowledge, I have to write this information. Next time, go to here, product. Yes. We are fighting for what? Project is there. Project is called as a, so we are take some kind of product. What my product is there? Like a project. Look here. This is the deliverable or the result of the project. Yes, my number is 5. 5 is called prime number. 5 is called prime number. How can you say it is a prime number? As per mathematics process, yes, you can simply say that 5 is called prime number. As per software, as per C software, how can you say it is called prime number? That time, you should follow some methods, some instructions. Those instructions will be given by the project manager. With help of instructions, you have to simply maintain the code generation. Then after execution, after compilation, you got, yes, my 5 number is called prime number. It is a product. I am writing here, the project manager should clearly define the product scope to ensure a successful result. మీరు 5 నెంబర్ అనేది ప్రైమా కాదా తెలవాలంటే మీకు తెలపాలంటే మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు? You should follow the instructions. The instruction is instructed by the one person is called project manager. Control the team leaders or team members. As well, technical hurdles that he or she may encounter during the building of a product. Or at last, they have to simply build up a result, a output. Then I am following the process. The process also taken by the project manager. Then how? In every planning, a clearly defined process is the key to the success of any product. There is no process, we can't expecting input as output in the computer. Once imagine here, all of you, in the computer, the normal input will be displayed as the output means what? After processing, there is no process. We can't say it is my clean data. It is my output data. Like that, in the SPP, software project planning, we should follow in every planning a clearly defined process is the key to the success of any product. It regulates how the team will be go about its development in the respective time period. The teamwork will be depend on time period. So this much of time I have to do this kind of task. This much of time I am simply complete my this task. The measurement will be given by or provided by the team manager. Then I'm writing here. The process has several steps involved like a documentation phase. First you apply the documentation, implementation, deployment like a resulting, and interaction. Then you feel my data, my project is right project. So process is a key role to maintain the any kind of project design, project perfection. Then last one goes to here, final stage is called project, is called output. The last and final PE in software project planning is project. How can you say it is called final? It can also be considered as a blueprint of the process. In the last class, I told every company before introduce the model or mobile phone or bike or car, first they have to maintain the design like a blueprint. Then the blueprint will be implemented by the manufacturer, then introduced in the market. After that, they can take the feedback. What is my product? How is my model? How the customers are feeling happy or unhappy? They are feeling happy or unhappy? Happy means I can simply proceed. Unhappy means I simply take a rectification and remodeling, then again manufacturing. Means we have to maintain the blueprint of the process is goes to the result is called project. In this phase, the project manager plays a critical role. Data definition compulsory, data designing is compulsory, data testing is compulsory, data implementation compulsory, data projection is compulsory. This total phase is taken responsible by the one person is called project manager. They are responsible to guide the team members to achieve the project's targets and objectives. These total kind of maintenance is taken by the one special location is called spectrum, project management spectrum. The diagram is compulsory. So you should maintain the diagram carries 3 marks out of 10 marks. So one of the compulsory question in the examination point of view, take a reviews number of times. After you realize, please write this topic in your notes. I hope all of you got a useful information from my video class, and this class, listen carefully, write this topic in your notes promptly. Thank you very much.